made the lobster thermidor for my mom and my mother-in-law. Now I'm gonna make the side, okay? Lobster, mashed potatoes go hand in hand. But I'm not just making any old boring old mashed potatoes. I am making garlic confit mashed potatoes. So to confit something means to cook it in fat. And so what I'm doing is cooking garlic cloves in olive oil. So I'm gonna infuse that olive oil with this garlic. Okay, I have about a half a cup of peeled garlic cloves. I'm gonna turn the heat up to about medium high. So I'm gonna cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes until the garlic starts to soften up and that oil is infused with all of that garlic flavor. So I have boiled potatoes until they're fork tender. Now I'm gonna strain them and mash them. So this is about 3 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes that I've peeled and diced into equal pieces. I always get asked this question. How do you make the best mashed potatoes? Is it a blender? Is it by your hand? Is it a food processor? It's none of those ways. It's a ricer. Let me show you. Just gonna add the potatoes to the ricer. Then I'm gonna take this top handle and press it down. Now look at this. So the ricer creates more air, which results in a fluffier mashed potato. That's the last bit of potatoes. I need to strain the garlic from the oil and add it to the food processor with 1 stick of unsalted butter. All right, so I am going to blitz this together until all of the garlic cloves break down. All right, I am going to add this butter and garlic directly to my mashed potatoes, okay? And I have a little heavy cream here. You don't want to cool down the potatoes with cold heavy cream, so it's good to warm it up on the stove first. Potatoes they crave salt, okay? And I'm just folding in that butter with the confit garlic and that heavy cream. I'm gonna give it a taste. Make sure I don't need to add any more salt. Woo! Hey, hey, hey. I got garlic bread for days. I'm just gonna add my mashed potatoes to the bowl. We are probably not gonna eat all of this, but that's the great thing about mashed potatoes. They keep in the fridge. I'm gonna use a spoon to kind of create like these divots. Remember that infused garlic oil? Take some of that oil and just drizzle it on top. All right, so I have some chives here and some bacon that I cooked. And my side is done. Ooh, they're gonna love this.